Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Singh, Renown Filmmaker Randeep Hooda Amadi Mahaki Loinabi, LINTHOINGAMBI LAISHRAM Chief Minister BUNGALOW UNAKHRE Haukiba numita unakhiba aduda Randeep Hooda na Yumnam Khemchand Manipur gi tangdu leitaba fibam asida ingtappa puraknabagi chawraba thodang amaga loinana Chief Minister oina thoram purakpabu thagatpa phongdokhi.
There is a peaceful situation here so that in the future people of Manipur and anybody and everybody around the world who visits it can enjoy its beauty, its food, its culture, and I'm very happy and honored to be associated by it, and I'm very grateful to the CM Saab for his invitation, for the lovely food that we had. What's it called?
Kang Khichdi.
Kang Khichdi.
Today is the beginning of Kang festival, so we had Khichdi, which was prepared by man.
The game of polo originated from Manipur, and a lot of people around the world don't know it. And the Manipuri pony obviously has played a big part in it, and also it's a heritage, genetic heritage, which should be preserved. Big responsibility of not just the government but the people of Manipur to look after their genetic heritage ponies that they have, and yeah, I'm willing to adopt a pony for sure. बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके, and I am very happy that I'm very lucky to have married into Manipur, and I hope all Manipuris belonging to all factions come together as human beings and proud Manipuris, and let there be peace and harmony and love, which is the basis of all cultures, especially Manipur. So I'm really praying for that.